So everybody, this may look confusing, but guess what distributor I have in this thing? I have a Toyota distributor out of a California Emissions, and I think I got it to get spark. I did get spark out of the GM one, but my issue is it's so big to be able to make a kit to show you guys how to build these. It's within half an inch. It's within half an inch of the actual brake booster. So it does work in theory, and it's very simple, but I'm trying to make it work with everything that is actually provided on your Toyota engines. Yes, you guys are not going to all have California Emissions equipped distributors, but this will be able to work with factory distributors. I just have an outside coil to get better spark. That's the only reason I'm running in California. So we're just going to do a quick test to see if we have spark coming out of this. And once we have spark, then we're going to put quick start into the open intake. Okay, you ready?
I think so.
I think a full fucking blast. Okay. Oh, didn't mean to do that. No spark?
I don't see anything yet.
Ignition. Blue is black, yellow, red. Negative? No. I think that was positive. Hold it closer to the cam lobe. No, sorry, the thing that ties down the cam lobe. Nothing?
I'm not seeing anything.
Okay, what am I doing wrong here? Okay, so we've taken a little bit of time and we've kind of messed around with this quite a bit. So we figured out that we are putting way too much air to it. Air-fuel mixture way off. And we're kind of just getting it to fire a bit on quick start. So quick start, choke her out with your hand. Ha! Oh, that was bad. Okay, spray a bit into her again and then choke her
He
out.
likes his fuel, eh?
Okay.
Yeah.
Try hooking this thing back up. Coil, positive, positive, coil, igniter, coil, positive.
Is it working?
Yeah. Hold on.
Snuff it out.
Try that. Starter's hot. I know it's hot. Why do we keep losing spark? Try it.
Something's wrong.
Something's wrong. You lost something. Want to open the intake?
Try.
If you want, you can try jamming it in that other one. I don't know, to make it go straight down. I don't know. Here, open the intake and throw it in.
Should be tons.
cylinder number 1.
Guess so. Could pressurize this.
It runs! It runs!
I'm covered in shit.
It runs! It runs! We did it! Try and just put a little bit more in that hole. Ready? Get ready for the fuel to go in. It runs! Again! I'm so excited! Okay.
Oh, I have my hand over the...
Yeah. Steven, we did it! We did it! We're covered in oil and gasoline and... My God, it works!
Now we just need a carburetor.
A carburetor. A carburetor.
We should tell Josh that he's making that today.
Yes.
Because it needs to happen.